After opening gap down today, Nifty fell by a further 1.6%, led by declines in the banking as well as industry heavyweight Reliance Industries. Investors were also cautious ahead of the Federal Reserve Bank interest rate decision, along with skepticism regarding the fiscal stimulus policy which is going to be followed in the wake of coronavirus in the US. So in today's video, I'm going to give you Nifty predictions and levels for tomorrow, which will help my subscribers make a lot of money. So without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, as you can see here, we have the Nifty chart in front of us, and tomorrow's pivot is roughly 10,945. So you can notice one thing very interesting is that over the last week, we've seen 5 declines and 4 successive declines, and today was a gap down opening, and Nifty ended nearly 2% lower. And you would also notice one thing interesting, that the lowest point of Nifty, which is very close to the point where it closed, of 10,882 is almost exactly equal to the high, or very close to the closing point of the candle, which was on 17th of July. And this is also roughly the point of intersection of the primary resistance line with this candle. So going forward, we can expect this itself to be a very, very strong indicator of whether Nifty is going to further go down or not. Now, if we look at the support points at the lower end, we can see that 10,830 is going to be a very, very critical support point. And 10,830, as you can see here, is roughly equal to the high point of this candle. This is going to be very, very interesting because this actually acts as a supply zone. So this actually is a peak of the supply zone, which is forming at 10,830. This is going to be a very interesting support. Apart from that, we have 10,750, which, as you can see here, is the peak of the secondary supply zone, which is forming on 6th of July. 10,700 will also be a very, very important support, which actually happens to be the low of this candle. And 10,550, which, as you can see here, is the June high, is going to be an important support at the lower levels. If it even goes below that, then 10,484, which is the high of the second largest candle in June, will be an important point. If we go to the upper range, 10,915 is going to be a very, very important resistance point. And as you can see here, this is the 21 period EMA. 11,050, which is a 10 period EMA, will also be another important resistance point. So will 11,100, which, as you can see here, is the low of these candles, which was trying to breach for the last 3 or 4 days unsuccessfully. This is going to be a very important resistance point. And beyond that, we'll have 11,150. So that's it for today's Nifty prediction. Hope you have a wonderful trading session tomorrow. All the best.